In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Microsoft Outlook fast 2025 guide. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft Outlook on the web. Sign in to the account where you want the auto reply to run. If you manage more than one mailbox, make sure you're in the right inbox before you continue. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Outlook keeps all the options you'll need. In the settings pane, select account to view account-related preferences. From there, choose automatic replies. This takes you to the page dedicated to out-of-office messages and automatic responses. Turn on automatic replies by switching the toggle to on. You'll see more options appear once it's enabled. If you want the auto reply to run only for a specific window, like a vacation or a conference, check the option that says send replies only during a time period. This prevents your inbox from replying indefinitely. Set your start time and end time. Think about time zones if you're traveling, and consider adding a small buffer so your first and last day aren't flooded with unexpected messages. For example, you might start the auto reply the evening before you're away and end it the morning after you return. Next, enter your message. Keep it clear and professional. A good auto reply includes the dates you're unavailable, when you expect to respond, and an alternate contact for urgent matters. You might write something like, "Thanks for your email. I'm away from the office from start date to end date and will have limited access to email. For urgent issues, please contact role or team. I'll reply as soon as I'm back." Avoid including sensitive information and keep the tone polite and concise. Depending on your account, you may see options to tailor messages for people inside your organization versus external senders. If available, adjust the wording so colleagues and outside contacts get the right context. When you're satisfied with the timing and the message, click Save. Outlook will confirm your changes, and your auto reply is now active for the period you've set. That's all you need to do. If your plans change, return to the same automatic replies page to update the message, adjust the dates, or turn the feature off early. With this set, you can step away confidently, knowing senders receive a helpful response and know what to expect.